Hello, hello. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I'm stopping by to share my latest order from Not Too Shabby. I kind of giggled because I seem to be sharing a lot lately. I think that I keep forgetting my New Year's goal of spend less and create more. I am creating a lot, but I've noticed a trend the last few years. Come April, May, I just go hog wild. I'm hoping that I can kind of reel that back, but I'm having fun, I'm creating, and I love Not Too Shabby, so let's get to it. I think I mentioned last month that I signed up for all the subscriptions. I have the box of the month, the stamp and die of the month, and the paper pad club that will all be coming to me each month now. Super exciting, and I'm so thankful that I did that because the box of the month sold out in like 4 hours this month. So I was so relieved that I didn't have to worry about it, that it was automatically coming to me. In the description box below, I will have all the links. These boxes just keep getting better. The stamps and dies, the paper pad club, it's all fabulous and only getting better and better. If you like it, I would just go ahead and take that plunge and sign up to get it each month. That way you're guaranteed to get it. You get a discount, and it's like a present when you get it. So as always, got a lollipop and some sequins as a little thank you. The box of the month was so fun. Like I said, it sold out in like 4 hours. It was watermelon themed, has the 2 paper pads, 3 stamp sets, and 2 packages of ephemera. So I won't spend a lot of time since it is sold out, but if you did get it, I'm hoping to use it and maybe give you some inspiration later on. So super fun, bright papers, which we all know I love those bright colors. So much fun. So it's a fresh summer and watermelon summer. And then there are the ephemera packs to go with it. And then there were the 3 stamp sets. I can't wait to use these gnomes. Sweet Summer. I mean, so adorable. Let's see, this one's Summer Vibes. And the last one was Thanks a Melon. Look at that. Just super, super fun. So again, that did sell out, but if I were you, I would sign up so that you're guaranteed to get the box, to get all of these each month, because they are just keep getting better and better. The paper pad club for the month, oh my goodness. I am so glad I took the plunge on this too. So the first one is At the Lake. I thought this will actually tie in well with some of my mermaid cards, which I'm noticing the beginning of my months are so cram-packed that I don't get to do like a lot of the extra projects. And so the end of the month is typically when I get to do all the like stuff that's just kind of extra, because at the beginning of the month I'm getting ready for Craft and Kimmy's release, and there's sheet load and all kinds of stuff. So if I'm showing you now and you don't see them for a couple days, just wait. At the end of the month or the mid-month, I will be back to share with you. So yes, I definitely think this will tie in well with Mermaid and my mermaids, and then Man's Best Friend. I'm crossing my fingers that we get a cat one. As we know, I love my cats. I do love dogs too, so this will be fun. I have some stamps in mind to use with it, but also there are these that you can fussy cut or use like your scan and cut to cut out. So I have some ideas, but I'm crossing my fingers that we get a cat one soon too. And then the stamp and die of the month, another cute gnome set. Let me see, Coffee with My Gnomies. I love that the dies cut out the sentiments, and it just so cute. The little cookies and then the coffee, and looks like a little cake. Yeah, I'm excited for this too. Nobody talk to me until I've had my coffee, and life happens, coffee helps. So those are super fun. So those are the goodies that just arrived at my house. Like I said, I have lots of ideas swirling around in my brain. So I will be back sometime in the next few weeks to share with you what I create. Kind of getting off center there, sorry. I will give you a little sneak peek. On Friday is my design team day with Not Too Shabby with the digital Instagram team. And I have colored up this watermelon popsicle digi. And I'm going to pair it with these fun papers. I haven't quite got my layout figured out yet, but it's the Dots of Summer paper pad. Super bright. I love those bright colors. But I'm excited to put this together because I think it just makes you happy when you look at it. You're so sweet, or you're sweet. So there's a little sneak peek for my project on Friday that will be on Instagram. I am hoping to have a coloring video up in the next couple days, but if not, my next video will be definitely Saturday Showcase. I have a lot to share for the week, and I hope that you are having an amazing week. Again, everything will be linked below. I would go and sign up for these things before so that you're guaranteed to get them each month, and before like these two and this, before they sell out. I know that they've been selling out really quickly. So there's my enabling for the day. I am off to work on that watermelon card, and I hope you have an amazing, amazing day. And can I just say, I'll just give you a sneak. Tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo. If you know me very well, I absolutely, positively love tacos and queso, but tacos, did I mention tacos? So using a stamp set that I got at the Not Too Shabby shop at the end of last year, it's from Darcy's, I made this Happy Cinco de Drinko Mayo. So you got to see another sneak peek. That'll be up on my blog and Instagram and stuff tomorrow, and definitely will be in the Saturday Showcase. I thought it turned out so cute. Okay, I'm rambling. Apologize. I'm out of here. Talk to you later.